Hey, what's up, everybody? So, so today is the big day, and during the weekend, I'm gonna be going to Pismo Beach during this weekend, and it's gonna be really fun. So yeah, so yeah. Ever since I haven't been going to Pismo Beach in like forever. I'm gonna be doing a vlog for you guys to enjoy, so I can show you guys what I've been up to at Pismo Beach. Oh, and I haven't been there in like an extremely long time. It's been like forever. So yeah. Alright, alright, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys sit back, relax, and join me on this journey to Pismo Beach. Alrighty folks, this is it. Goodbye house. So we got everything packed up, we're all ready to go. So yeah, and we got all of our stuff loaded up into the car, and I'm sorry if you guys can't see me, it's like all dark out here. So we are now off to Pismo Beach. Woohoo! Alright you guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned in my next YouTube video.